Okay, today we're gonna be marking the letters on the slides. The Glock logo, the 29 for this in this case. So the first thing I do is take some nail polish remover, non-acetone. Clean it, make it look really clean. Let it dry for a little bit. So most people use that right here. I just try. This is a BB gun. I always try things first on this gun. It's a BB gun. It's not no ammo in it either. So this is I'm gonna go for the gold color today. I did the stippling on this one before I did it on my Glock. There's different designs, just to pick what exactly I wanted. I got a video of me doing a stippling as well. Clean a little bit more here. And basically, I take this pen. This is like I'll show you right now in the video. It's a painter's pen, something like that. So all I do, I find it a very nice color. I like the gold finishes on black guns. So just go ahead and write right over it. Same technique as a nail polish. There we go. I was gonna try to do like the same form of the letter, but as you could tell, this does throw a lot of paint on it. So everything like covers up. I'm really happy with this technique. It does take its time to dry. It's a very heavy coat. Just do one coat. And there we go. Let's just wait for it to dry now. Here's not 100% dry yet. I was getting kind of desperate. I was starting to fear that I wasn't going to be able to take it off. So I start to remove now. I did actually speed up the video a little bit here. I was feeling we were taking too long. So I split it up a little bit here. I thought it was going to be very complicated to take off at one point, but it actually came off pretty nicely. And the paint stayed there pretty deep, so. You'll see briefly when I start using my nails. So yes, taking everything off right now, like you see, using my nails. This takes like really dry spots off, and it just like peels right off, the little dots. It works very good as well. I use my nail. I'm not trying to scratch my slide either, but I don't want to leave that paint. And there you go. As the end result of the slide. I love it. I actually think it came out really good. You guys let me know. It came out better than my video, I bet. There we go, final touches. Now you'll see how it looks on the gun frame.